What is a cubic equation? A cubic equation is one in which the max power of the variable degree is 3. Today, we are going to answer a cubic equation. But what is the easiest way to solve it? Lane switch is the easiest way to solve cubic equations, where we just need to draw lines on every cubic, quadratic, linear, and constant equations. On the other hand, we use pit stop every time we want to find the quotient.
First, we draw 4 lanes after writing the divisor and dividend so we don't get confused easily. The lanes is to help differentiate between cubic, quadratic, and linear equation as well as constant. Think of each constant as a visual switching to the rightmost line in order to get home as fast as possible.
To find the quotient, we have to go to a pit stop where we will refill in order to continue the journey. So, we can multiply the quotient with divisor to eliminate the cubic, quadratic, linear and constant equation from the dividend. Lastly, step 2 and 3 are repeated until there is no remainder.
Let's look at another example. In this equation, it asks us to divide negative x power of 3 plus 19x equal to 30 by x plus 5 using long division. Since 30 is on the right hand side, we need to move it to the left hand side so it equates to 0. In cubic equations, the maximum power of x is 3. In this equation, we have x power of 3, linear and constant, but we don't have x power of 2. So let's add 0x power of 2 in the equation so we don't get confused later on when we do division. Let's write the divisor and dividend. Using the lane switch concept, we draw 4 lines so we don't get confused later on. We know that x plus 5 is a factor of this equation, so how do we find the quotient? We have to eliminate cubic, quadratic, linear and constant until we get 0. This is where the pit stop comes in handy.
Divide negative x the power of 3 by x to get negative x the power of 2. The quotient is times by the divisor. So we multiply negative x the power of 2 with x, which is negative x the power of 3. And then multiply it with 5, which is negative 5x the power of 2. To eliminate it, we put a negative symbol, so 2 negative become a positive. And negative x the power of 3 plus x the power of 3 will equal to 0. And then 0 plus 5x the power of 2 is 5x the power of 2. Bring 19x down to 5x the power of 2. Moving on to the next step, in order to eliminate x the power of 2, we have to divide it by x. Go to the pit stop and divide 5x the power of 2 with x, which will be 5x. Multiply 5x with x to get 5x the power of 2 and multiply 5x with 5 to get 25x. 5x the power of 2 minus 5x the power of 2 is equal to 0. And 19x minus 25x is equal to negative 6x. Repeat the pit stop until it gets to 0. Finally, the answer that we get is negative x the power of 2 plus 5x minus 6.
But did you notice? We made a mistake. Change the positive symbol to a negative symbol. Now it actually equals to 0. That's it from us. Thank you for watching.